What is the weirdest thing about humans? 1. We're, theoretically, so efficient at running we can run down a horse until it dies of exhaustion, then eat it. 2. Teratoma tumors. Basically tumors that can grow hair, teeth, organs and other strange body parts yet still not be classified as a separate living being. Fascinating stuff. 3. Humans are insanely tough. A lot of animals go into shock and die from injuries humans routinely bounce back from. 4. We went to the moon. Not because it was lucrative, not because we could get something out of it, but purely to say to the other tribe I'm better than you. 5. The amount of trust we blindly put into strangers. That last road trip you took? Flying down one end of the interstate at 70 miles per hour in a metal box while a stranger flies the opposite way at 70 miles per hour in his metal box a couple of feet away. 6. Every once in a while I think, do other animals think humans are ugly? Like those weird hairless cats, we just have this tuft of hair on top and the rest is naked. Although we somehow find each other attractive, I wouldn't be surprised if animals were like you.